up your soul with tears. And never blame me.
Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Oh boy, you're gonna die. This time tomorrow, reckon where I'll be. I'll be up on the mountain, hanging from a white oak tree. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Oh boy, you're bound to die.
Welcome to Sunday Night with ATV. We hope you're going to enjoy our programs. The highlights of which will certainly be the great Spanish dancer Antonio with his partner Rosario in the Palladium show at 8:25, and Millicent Martin and Roy Kinnear in the comedy Happy Moorings at 9:35. But now, let's have a look at the times of the rest of the programs for tonight.
First Britain's power deadlock, and with the go-slow due to start at dawn tomorrow, there seems little hope of any last-minute settlement. Hospitals throughout the country are preparing emergency plants for operating theatres and casualty units. The first crisis will come at 7 tomorrow morning when factories start up again after the weekend close down. No one can say whether householders will be affected, but voltage reductions, if they have to be made, could affect cookers, heaters, lights, TVs and radios. The Russians have told America that they will release very soon the 2 remaining American airmen whose plane was shot down over East Germany 12 days ago. The 3rd member of the crew was released yesterday. A move to dethrone the world heavyweight boxing champion Cassius Clay. It comes from the World Boxing Association in America, who accuse him of contract irregularities and say he's acted to the detriment of the boxing world. In Switzerland, a rescue team today finally reached 4 climbers who spent the past 4 nights marooned on a small ledge 13,000 feet up a peak near Zermatt. But only 3 of them have reached hospital in Zermatt. The last stage of the rescue was by helicopter, and bad weather is preventing the rescue of the 4th man. Paddy Farrell, the jockey who broke his spine in the Grand National yesterday, was said tonight to be off the danger list, but a hospital spokesman added that he's still seriously ill. The property millionaire Jack Cotton died in the Bahamas last night. He was 61 and went to Nassau last December after doctors had ordered a complete rest. Motor racing, the Sebring 12-hour race in Florida was won by Ferraris. They took the top 3 places. The first Ferrari, driven by Britain's Mike Parkes and Italy's Umberto Malioli, covered a record new distance of 1,112 miles at an average speed of over 92 miles an hour. That's all.
You will go head over heels for the new Silhouette Little X. Yes, I'm sure getting...
Find that of all cigarettes, only players please so much. Devil in the Wind, tomorrow night, play of the week.
You are lying, Brother Anton. Why should I lie to you, Father? I owe my very soul salvation to you.
Fine thing when religion goes crooked.
Not religion. Men. Only men.
This is the kind of dynamite that could explode if it was dropped in certain quarters.
Exactly. That's why I'm giving the case to you. My conscience is clear. I've already made my confession.
Confession? With how many reservations?
None.
You know.
I know.
And yet you do nothing.
Devil in the Wind is tomorrow night's play of the week at 9:10.
Come and listen to my story about a man named Jed. A poor mountaineer barely kept his family fed. And then one day he was shooting at some food.